Hello and welcome back. So in this class we are going to learn how to save and export your document using different formats that it can be compatible with other platforms like Microsoft Word or OneOffice or thereabout. So to save in your document, for example in Docs, you can always come to File and come to Save As, and then you can be able to define the format from here. Right now you can see this entire document is in .docs. The default one used to be in .odt, okay, which is the ODF text document. This used to be in .odt, but you can just go ahead and save it in .docs, which is very fine, and it opens in Word, Microsoft Word format as well. So define the name and the position, and let's say we can call it test document 1 here. And you can see the format .docs, and you can save this like this. Use this format. Okay, so this document you can now easily open it in Microsoft Word. So let me give you an example. Let's go back to the document. So this is it, and once you right click, you can say open with, let's say we open with Microsoft Word, and once you click on OK to this, you can see it is now open directly in Microsoft Word. So very easily, this is, you can link up between Word and LibreOffice. You can see right now our document is now open in Word. Okay, so in cases if you want to save it in PDF, you can always come back to the document, and you can see over here export directly as PDF. So you can click, and you can see right now it is in PDF, portable document format. So you can just go ahead, specify the name, the location, and once you are done with all of these, you can say save document, and this is now going to be saved in PDF. So let's go back to the same document and let's see whether we have it in PDF. This is it, and once we double click, you can see right now we have it opened in PDF format. Okay, so our document is now in PDF. So very easily you can utilize all the other formats. You can save in or export your document in very many different formats that we have. Okay, you can print directly, and you can toggle print preview, so you'll be able to see exactly what your preview is going to be after the printing, okay, or during printing. You can specify, and once you're done, you connect a printer, you can just go ahead and print your document directly. Okay, so you can print also in different formats. You can print in PDF or thereabout. You can make it single page preview or double page preview. Right now it's double page. You can make it single page preview, or you can make it double page or 4 pages or thereabout. Number of pages you can specify and be able to see them directly over here. So let's close the preview. So you can always come back, come to save as, and you can see you can specify the different formats that we have from here. Or you can alternatively come to File, go to Export or Export As. Now you can export as PDF, export directly as PDF, or export as EPUB if you want to have EPUB, for example, for the Amazon book publishing. You can export as EPUB or thereabout directly. You can export directly. Or you can send an email of this document. You can just directly email as PDF or email as a Word document. You can export in all of these, or you can preview in a web browser. If you want to preview in web browser, you can just click, and this is going to preview this document in a web browser for you. Okay, so I think basically this does it on this tutorial about how to export your LibreOffice Writer document in different formats, be it Word, be it PDF, be it even sending an email or exporting it in EPUB or thereabout. Depending on you, however you want it, whichever format you prefer, you can always link up and export your document directly. So basically this section concludes our tutorial on how to use LibreOffice Writer. In the next section, we are going to look at how to use the LibreOffice presentation or the PowerPoint alternative that we have within LibreOffice. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next section. Bye.